Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm very happy to share this video with you cause I have created a very nice base and also good shimmery eye look. And let's see how I created this look. Yes guys, first I'm starting my makeup with a moisturizer, good moisturizer. So I'm just taking a small amount of moisturizer and apply all over my face and neck. I'm just packing on my skin to give a super glowy finish. Next is primer. For primer I'm using from the brand Lakme. It's a blur effect primer and it gives us nice matte finish and it keeps makeup for a long time. Next is a corrector. For corrector I'm using a Revolution Orange corrector. I'm just applying on my pigmented area which is mainly around my mouth. Because I am a specs person, so I am having a specs marks on my nose, so I am applying there also. Here I am using a finger to apply all over cause I felt that if I am using a finger then it gives a nice coverage rather than a blender or brushes. And for foundation I am using a Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in shade Mystic Maple. First I am dotting on my face and blending with a beauty blender. This blender is also from a Nykaa and if you blend well it gives a super finishing base. In makeup you must do a blending well, then only it gives a super finish look and gives a super base. For concealer I am using a Maybelline Fit Me in shade 50. I am just applying under my area and around my mouth. This one is a exact shade on my skin tone. This concealer gives a finishing look, so I am just dapping with my blender. I have noticed something around my mouth, still my pigmentations are visible, so I am applying little bit foundation on my pigmented area. Now I am going to highlight my cheeks area, so I am using this same Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 35 Deep. This shade is lighter to me, so I am using in a highlighting area. It gives a super pop-up look. Now to set my face, I am using a Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade medium 30. I am using a same beauty blender to set my face. Now I am making a crease to give a sharp jawlines. Now move on to eyebrows. For brows I am using a Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. For eyes I am using a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I am using a dark shade from that palette to apply a crease line. Now I am using a little bluish shimmery shade from that palette to apply on my lid. Actually this shimmery shade has a fallout slot, so after I applied I dusted out my under eye area with my loose powder. For eyeliner I am using a Faces Canada magnetized eyeliner. Actually this eyeliner brush is too thin, so for the sharp line it is a super convenient to draw. And for kajal I am using a Nykaa Rock and Roll smudge proof kajal and I am just dusting out all my fallouts. For blush I am using from the brand Sugar. I will give all the link in description and the product's name in the description. You will check it out from there. Now for highlighter I am using a Maybelline Molten Golden highlighter. I am using on my cheekbones and the brow bone area. It gives a super glowy finish. It doesn't feel like we have applied something glittery on our face. It gives a super subtle finish. For lip liner I am using from the brand Wet n Wild and I think this is the chestnut variant. And for the lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa mini liquid lipstick in the shade Chai. Actually, Chai shade is a superb apt for the dusky skin. You can also give a try once. Yes guys, my look has been completed with this bindi, and hope you loved it, you liked it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and this is my Instagram ID. You can also easily create this look, and if you created means tell me in the comment section. And thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. Tata, bye bye, take care.